Imagine this. It's late at night, your room is quiet, only the glow of your screen lights your face. Your books are open, your notes are scattered. Your mind is tired but still awake. Exams are approaching, not in some distant future but rapidly. Close enough that you can already feel the psychological weight. Your calendar is saturated with dates, your syllabus feels overwhelming, your thoughts feel fragmented. Some mornings you wake up energized and resolute. Other mornings you wake up disoriented and defeated. You sit at your desk, you open your books, you stare, yet comprehension feels distant. Your mind murmurs, what if I am not good enough? I am behind, I am inadequate, others are outperforming me. You scroll to escape discomfort, you ruminate, you catastrophize, you spiral into self-doubt. And that heavy trio shows up: anxiety, doubt, demotivation. If this resonates with you, listen carefully. You are not defective, you are not indolent, you are simply a human under immense pressure. Take one slow breath with me. In, hold, and out. Feeling lost does not mean you are lost. It means you are striving, and that is a powerful sign. Now let's speak with clarity. Right now, two versions of you are living inside one body. One is ambitious, visionary, and courageous. It dreams of competence, independence, and dignity. The other is distracted, procrastinating, and comfort seeking, whispering, I will begin tomorrow. These two selves are in constant conflict. As Vince Lombardi stated, winners never quit and quitters never win. Your exam is not merely evaluating memory, it is assessing discipline, resilience, and perseverance. Talent is abundant, discipline is exceptional, and the exceptional prevail. Right now, months appear lengthy until they disappear, days appear slow until results arrive. Benjamin Franklin warned us, you may delay, but time will not. Every squandered hour today becomes regret tomorrow. Every invested hour today becomes confidence tomorrow. You don't require perfection, you require consistency with intention. Your brain is not your adversary, it is wired for comfort, not excellence. It gravitates toward instant gratification, it resists sustained effort. Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. That means you cannot control the exam paper, but you can command your preparation. When your mind protests, I am exhausted, you calmly just reply, 10 more minutes. That small battle, repeated daily, builds a champion. That is how mental fortitude is cultivated. कर्मण्ये वाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्म फल हेतुर्भुर मा ते संगत्स्व कर्मणि. You have the right to work only, but never to its fruits. Let not the fruits of action be your motive, nor let your attachment be to inaction. If you apply this philosophy to your exams, your responsibility is sincere and disciplined preparation. Do not burden yourself with anxiety about rank, comparison, or outcome. When you focus only on results, anxiety increases. When you focus on effort, it builds clarity. Work diligently, Let results take care of themselves. Just forget about marks for a moment. Think of who you want to be next year. Calmer, more disciplined, more confident. James Clear explains this beautifully. You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. So design intelligent systems now. Focused study blocks, digital boundaries, structured revision, proper sleep, and take strategic breaks. Small disciplined habits today leads to strong future tomorrow. Perhaps you have stumbled before, perhaps you scored badly, perhaps you feel behind. That does not define you. Thomas Edison reframed failure brilliantly. I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. A poor taste is not your identity. It is a diagnostic feedback. Analyze it, adjust, and move forward. Yogostat kuru karmani sangam tatta dhananjaya siddha siddha samabhutva samatvam yoga uchyati. Be steadfast in your performance of your duty, O Arjun, abandoning attachment to success and failure. Such equanimity is called yoga, and equanimity is true strength. Neither panic nor complacency serves you. What serves you is steady, measured, purposeful effort. While others indulge in endless scrolling, you study. While others seek momentary pleasure, you build competence. This is not deprivation, this is a strategic investment. Denzel Washington said, "Dreams without goals are just dreams. Your sacrifice today is your freedom tomorrow." Just picture the result day. Your heart is racing, your hands tremble, your screen illuminates your face. Only one question will truly matter. Did I give my absolute best? Theodore Roosevelt said, "Do what you can with what you have where you are." If your answer is yes, you have already won internally, regardless of the marks. Uddhared atmanatmam natmanam avhasadayet. Atmaiva hyetmanu bandhur atmaiva ripur atmanaha. Elevate yourself through the power of your mind and not degrade yourself, for the mind can be the friend and also the enemy of the self. No mentor, no video, no external force can do the work for you. You must choose discipline every single day. One day you will look back at this moment of your life. You will remember the anxiety, the uncertainty, the sleepless nights, and you will say, "That version of me didn't quit." So tonight, don't quit. Tomorrow, don't quit. Next month, don't quit. You must prevail. Take one deep breath, sit straight, open your book, start with one page. Your effort matters, your struggle matters, your consistency matters. You are not merely a result, you are a process of becoming stronger. Trust yourself, endure, evolve, and all the best for your exams. See you on the next one. Bye bye, take care.